Hey guys, Dodge Ram truck video. Um, this is a tailgate cover here. We're gonna unbox this thing, see what it is. It's like, hopefully it's not damaged from shipping. Seen this was in the description, but who knows what that's for. We'll figure it out here. I'm sure it comes with some instructions in here. Okay, so what this is, just set this stuff out the way. We have a new top here for our tailgate. This truck is a 2019 Classic, but it should be 09 to, I don't know, what, 23 or 24, which would be Gen 4 Ram. Wanted something a little bit different. This one does have a little bit of damage here across on this one. It's just the way it was when I got the truck. So I've seen some of these that go on the back. They actually look kind of cool. So I was pretty interested to see what we have. Let's go here, okay. Three sheets here. Alright, tells you what comes with it. Grease pencil, not sure what that's for. Cleaning, marking, removing the tape. Guess that's removing the tape, centering it out, what the installed part looks like. Basically, double-side tape installation. It's weird. I've seen a couple different listings for this, some ranging from 100 and some down to even less. Pretty thin, but I think it's going to look pretty cool. This was on Amazon. I believe this was like 65 bucks, but like I said, I found other ones with the same item listed for well over 100. So they all looked like they were the same part. All right. So I reuse my packing stuff, so I'm just going to roll this up. Alright, so we had to back up a little bit. We thought that this was going to be removed, but it actually, that thing is a slip over, which kind of sucks. It really would have been cool if it covered this. It's weird that it shows in the description. It goes on this one, it has like the holes, like it was actually slipping down in there, but that's my mistake. But I did pull out these couple bad ones, and then I replaced all these, so I have all new push clips in here now. So let's just take a look. Let's set this thing on here. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna move this out of the way. That's gonna have to get readjusted. Gives a little bit of a look, right? Alright, so I'm going to basically pull this off of here. I'm going to clean everything from this line up with window cleaner. I have some special 3M adhesive promoter for the two-sided tape. I'm going to pull that out. I'm going to wipe the areas. But we'll show you how we're going to install this based off of some of their instructions and the way that I've installed a bunch of this stuff over the years. So. All right, so that's just going to give me a guideline of where to stay above when I prep. That way I have less cleanup after. There's tape, if you look, it goes across this bottom, this side here, and then up across here and across the front of this. This thing does not quite go all the way to the front. All right, so we couldn't find our fancy 3M stuff, so I used some brake cleaner. This stuff works really good. Usually I'll, well, you want to make sure that whatever you're putting this on doesn't discolor anything. So far, I did all right. And I just wipe the paint. This will remove any wax. Same thing with like the window cleaner will clean it down pretty good too. So I'm gonna take this and we're gonna go to all of the corners and the edges and get it started. This fold and crease. All right, so I ended up having to come in here and trim back some of this tape in a couple places. I got everything started. As you can see, this one here was really bad where they put that in. It's kind of not really too even across here. Got this started. You can see where they nicked in. This wasn't really even attached. And we got this. I had to trim this back corner here up too. So hopefully we can get this thing to fit on here good enough. Like I said, this is a very cheap part. So good. All right. When you pull this, just pull slow. Sometimes you got to pull out on just a little bit, give it a help. Got one more little piece here. We got it all off. Let's get the rest of our tape for marking this. I mean, it's something you really didn't have to do, but I like to do it. Now I'm gonna get rid of this stuff in my hand and we're gonna press this thing on. Good firm pressure all the way across here. Alright, I gotta adjust this side just a little bit more. Alright, good and tight. So it's on. I'll have to see how I like it. Some of the pictures they show painting from here down across the back. Let's get a little bit of a better view of this across here. Alright, so very cheap item. Like I said, I found this on Amazon. Installation, pretty easy. I mean, it kind of looks okay. It's not terrible. I can't say I hate it. Reminds me of some of like the F-150s have it across the back here. Curious to see how it's going to hold up. I have a feeling it's not going to do too well. Cold weather, this thing's probably gonna crack if you hit it or anything, if you're using your stuff like a truck. This thing here, pretty much don't really. I don't think it's gonna interfere anything with the camera, other than just add a little bit of a look to the back. Like I said, just a little bit of a wing. They sell stuff that goes up there, but it doesn't do nothing for me. We got to do some stuff here with these. I'd like to get rid of this emblem, that emblem, change this out to a black one. We've got black tips ordered, so this is kind of a spoiler if you're going to watch this before the next video. But like overall, would I buy this again? I don't know. If I needed to cover up a damaged top of a tailgate, I think this would be a good cheap option for that. Quality wise, no. I'm gonna have to just say that honestly. I'll show you the listing here real quick on my Amazon that I purchased this, so you know which one it is. So right here is this listing. There's the pictures that it shows. Paintable. So there's one with it painted. Looks kind of cool with it painted with no cover on it. Looks like they did a texture on the top to match their upper bed rail. There's with a cover that fits down in, which I'd actually like to get one that fits down in, a harder cover.